In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unhide in Excel using shortcuts, providing you with efficient ways to manage your data. Before we dive into using shortcuts, let's first open Microsoft Excel. You can launch the application from your desktop or Start menu, and once it's open, you're all set to begin unhiding rows or columns. To start, let's try manually hiding a row. You'll want to do this so we can later unhide it using our shortcut. Navigate to the row you wish to hide, click on the row number to select it entirely. Then, right-click, and in the menu that appears, click on Hide. This will make the selected row disappear, giving us the chance to use our keyboard shortcut to bring it back. Now, to unhide that hidden row, a very simple keyboard shortcut can do the trick. First, it's important to select the rows situated directly above and below the one you've hidden. This selection is crucial as it indicates to Excel where your hidden row is located. Once you've made your selection, press and hold Ctrl, Shift, and then 9 on your keyboard simultaneously. And there it is. Your previously hidden row should now be visible again, seamlessly integrating back into your spreadsheet. Let's extend our exploration to hiding columns because mastering both these techniques will vastly improve your Excel skills. Begin by selecting an entire column. You can do this by clicking on the column letter. With the column chosen, right-click, and from the context menu, select Hide. This will conceal the entire column and prepare us for the Unhide shortcut. When you're ready to unhide a column, there's a slightly different shortcut sequence. First, select the columns to the left and right of the hidden column. This selection tip is crucial as it helps Excel locate the hidden column you wish to reveal. Now for this shortcut, it's important to press the keys sequentially rather than all at once. Start by pressing Alt, then H, followed by O, U, and finally L. Notice how each key should prompt a subtle menu change or highlight within Excel, indicating that the sequence is being input correctly. By following these steps, you've unhindered not just columns, but also your ability to manage large data sets efficiently. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with hiding and unhiding different rows and columns to get more comfortable with these shortcuts. They're a great way to quickly manipulate data visibility in your spreadsheets, especially when managing large data sets. Thank you for watching and happy excelling.